When I first heard about Job Corps, I was already graduated from high school. I wanted to go to a normal college at first, but I was considering my options and I hadn't applied for scholarships early enough. So when my mom told me about Job Corps and how much fun she had there and all the things she learned, I decided to give it a chance. She went to Job Corps in Puerto Rico, which is where I was born also. She would always tell me about the clubs they had. She would tell me about all the friends she made and how she managed to get her trade done. She's like my hero, you know? So I want to follow in her footsteps and I want to do more. She always tells me, everything I do, you gotta go for more. You gotta be better. I want to be someone. My mom, she's proud and she's always telling me, you can do this, you gotta keep fighting. Even when I tell her I'm having a problem, she'll keep telling me, just keep your mind where you need to be. Just focus and you'll get through.